Hello everyone, welcome to part 85 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website, and in this video we are going to display discounted products at the home page. In the last two videos we have seen that we are able to display the new Ravel products as well as we are able to display the bestseller products, and now we are going to display the discounted products at the home page. You can see here as well that we able to display the new Ravel as well as bestsellers, and now we are going to work on the discounted products. So the discounted products, the products that are on discount, we are going to show those products here. Okay, that the discount added by the admin, we all know that, and here in the products table as well we are going to see there must be some kind of discount the product must be having, so that we can display them in the discount section. Okay, discount section at the home page. So this is the product discount. We are going to consider this product discount, and if there is any product discount then we are going to show them at the home page. So let's start working on this one, and I'm going to open the index controller, and here we are going to add the query like get discounted products. Okay, so here I'm going to make one variable discounted products, product with brand images where here see here we are going to add the condition. See here, product discount must be greater than 0. Okay, so here we will not add array. Here we are going to add here product discount must be greater than 0, like this. And other condition we are going to add like where status is must be 1. Okay, and other than this everything will remain the same, like in random order limit must be 4. Okay, like this. Okay, here also we are going to use the random, we are going to display the products randomly, because we don't want to show all the products together, or we don't want to show the same products will come again and again. We want the different products will come. Okay, so that's why every time the new products will come here means every time the random discounted products will come in the discount section of the home page. Okay, so here this discounted products array, we are going to return to the index.blade file, and there we are going to add the for each loop for this. Okay, in the same way like we have added the for each loop for the new products for the bestseller, and now we are going to add for the discounted products. Okay, here we have seen new products, and here we have seen the bestseller, and now you can see the discounted products div, discounted products. Here you can see the discounted products 1 2 3 4, and we just require the one, rest 3 we can remove, and here we are going to add the for each loop. Okay, and then this for each loop we are going to end here, and here we are going to add the discounted products. Okay, so this time discounted products, and see inside part we are going to copy from here. It will say over time everything will remain the same, just the array will be different. Okay, here we are going to see the discounted products only. Okay, so this only this thing will different, but rest of this, see, inner code will remain the same, div code will remain the same. And now we are going to see discounted products. Let's see, let's click on discounted products, and here you can see the products are on discount, and one product is showing wrong price. We are going to see that what is the price exactly. Green woman t-shirt, we are going to open this one, green woman t-shirt, and we are going to try to edit this one. There may be some issue with this product. Here you can see the product discount is the 100%. That is not possible at all. we can make the product discount as the 10% and then click on submit. So wrong value is there, so that's why now we will go to the discounted products once again, and here you can see the 10% discount for this product. Okay, now it seems to be fine. 12,000 is the price and 10,800 is the discounted price. Okay, so like this we able to display all the discounted products here. Okay, every product is having some discount. Okay, so here you can see the review part is also there, that we are going to work on this review part later on, not now. But rest of the things we are showing, like the brand name we are showing the product name as well, we are showing the prices as well. This one is the MRP and this one is the discounted price. And if I am going to refresh, see, every time the new products will come, here you can see now the other products are coming. Okay, three products are not having any images, so it is showing the dummy image, and one product is having the image, that is showing the red gap t-shirt. Okay, so like this you can just make this section ready at your end. See view more, we can send to some page. Okay, or we can do one more thing, like we can create the separate page for new levels, we will create separate page for bestseller, we will create the separate page for discounted products, in which all the products will come. So that page we are going to create, not now but later on, after creating the listing page. Okay, after completing this part, after completing this feature products, we are going to work on the listing page. As our home page will complete, we are going to work on these listing page. We are going to work on like the t-shirts page, shirts page, jackets page. Okay, where all the products of that particular category will come. So yeah, after that we are going to work on these page. We are going to create the full page, like where all the new level products will come, all the best seller products, all the discounted products will come. Okay, one by one we are going to work on all the features. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on the featured products, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.